A seagull. Is it a beautiful bird that Mother Nature created, or is it an evil, rude, nasty tyrant that is destined to rule the world and poop on all of mankind? Most people say that it is destined to rule the world, although the only crimes the seagull currently has is stealing hot dogs from people on beaches in San Diego. In this documentary, we will interview a professor who is professional at determining whether birds are going to take over the world and kill mankind or not. We will see if a seagull truly is evil or not. So, Dr. Phyllis Stein, what is your opinion on seagulls? Do you think they should be around?
I think seagulls are bigoted, nasty creatures that should be eliminated from planet Earth. Mankind is destined to failure if seagulls stay around much longer. Seagulls have a mission to poop on the head of every single living human being. I propose every human being should be equipped with at least 5 cans of seagull repellent.